guys, welcome to my channel. This is Lisa Vlog Switzerland. We are here in Vargen and we explore the beauty of the nature and then the weather. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel Lisa Vlog Switzerland and make a likes there. Thank you very much. Hi guys, we are here in Vargen. Vargen is municipality in the canton of Schaffhausen. It is located in Switzerland. The northernmost point of the country is situated in the municipality of Obervargen. They called Vargen. This one is beautiful hills up to sometimes we are always walking here because it's nice to walk. There is no car, there is no bicycle, and we can see the beautiful surrounding like flowers. And this is also a farm, and you will see later that we also see the part of Germany here. So guys, enjoy watching my channel. little history of the Bergen. At the beginning of the modern municipality system date back to Helvetic Republic. Under the old Swiss Confederacy, citizenship was granted by each town and village to only the residents. These citizens enjoyed access to community property and some cases additional protection under the law. Additionally, the urban towns and the rural villages had different rights and laws. The creation of the uniform Swiss citizenship, which applied equally for citizens of the old towns and their tenants and servants, led to conflict. The wealthier villagers and urban citizens held rights to forests, common land, and other municipality property which they did not want to share with the new citizens, who were generally poor. The compromise solution, which has written into the municipal laws of the Helvetic Republic, is still valid today. You can see the stone. This is the border, and then there is a lot of stone surroundings, and this is which we call this the boundary of going to Germany, because this one also there is a part of Germany here in up to the hills. So guys, the first and so-called municipality was a political community formed by elections, and its voting body consists of all residents, citizens. However, the community land and property remained with the former local citizens, who will gather together into the Bürgergemeinde. It means the people here, and then the canton. Canton, it means the municipality. And guys, here's and enjoy watching the surrounding of Bergen Hills. Relatively high number of small municipalities with a population of 1,000 or less, especially in rural areas. Because of the increasing difficulty in providing professional government services and in finding volunteers for political offices in small municipalities, the canton tend to encourage voluntary mergers of municipalities. This led to the number of municipalities dropping by 384 between the end of 2010 and the beginning of 2019. So here in Vargan is very small people living here in the rural areas, and you can see here the local peoples, and then the farmers, and this one is only for local preferences. For example, several small municipalities designated as cities held on city rights in medieval times, and normally do not impact the legal or political rights or obligations of the municipalities under the cantonal or federal laws. Here is the beautiful flower surroundings to the hills of Vargan. Margarita, they call Margarita, it's like pizza. So guys, it's beautiful, right? I want to pick up, but the police here don't like. So you can see again the stone. I told you there is a lot of stone, and then this is the number which are including in Switzerland. Guys, by the way, thank you very much for watching my channel. This is Lisa Vlog Switzerland. Enjoy watching more my video. Bye. Okay guys, this is the last, and this is the end of my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Lisa Vlog Switzerland, saying bye bye until the end and next video.